Hey, what's up YouTube? Faded King 951 here, and I'm about to do an unboxing on the Black Diamond assortment by Alamo Fireworks. I'm gonna get started from the bottom and work my way up. So yeah, I'm gonna start with Final Attack by Alamo Fireworks. As you can see right there, this is a 8-shot. Yeah, right there, kind of heavy. Looking forward to this one. And as with the All-American assortment that I did an unboxing of earlier, I'll also be demoing off all these all in one video. I'll have the link up in the description of this video. So yeah. Next up is a 4-pack of, what are these? Sky Magic 7-inch. Let's see, 7. I think this is a single shot. Let me open these up real fast. Yeah, single shot. Yep. Let me make sure. Shoots flaming balls. I guess we'll have to find out. So yeah, I'll know when I demo these. Let me put this back. So yeah, 4-pack of that. Right there. Twitter Glitter by Alamo Fireworks. Every assortment has these. It's like a hybrid cake fountain. Yep. Right here is Magician, 9 shots. Heavy too, badass. It does not have a brand on this one. Right here is Mag Liberty by Alamo Fireworks. This is a hybrid cake. Right there. A Crazy Missile Battery by Alamo Fireworks. Right here is a Checkmate Alamo Fireworks Mini Artillery. Golden Age Fountain, Alamo Fireworks. Empire State Fountain, Alamo Fireworks. A 4-pack of Ground Blooms. Here's another 4-pack of Ground Blooms. One of these pull popper thingies. What is it? Champagne Party Popper. 2 packs, 50-pack pop snaps, Alamo Fireworks. Each one has 50, making it 100 total. Right here's a 50-piece. Up next is 8-piece, yeah, 6 pieces each. Number 8 gold sparkler, so that's 18 gold sparklers right there. Alamo Fireworks. Right here is, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6-pack Happy Family Fountain by Alamo Fireworks. Right there. Right here is a 3-pack of Junior Cuckoo Fountain. Over here is Sweet. What is this? Sweet Graceland Fountain, Alamo Fireworks. And last but not least, this little what is this? Silver Down Fountain by Alamo Fireworks. Right there. So yeah, these are all the pieces right here. Just a quick overview of everything that the Black Diamond assortment has by Alamo Fireworks. Some pop sparklers, mini artillery fountains, hybrid fountains, and gotta figure out what those are. I don't know if they shoot a bunch at once or if they're single shots. I'm hoping they're single shots, because single shots that are like that size go pretty hard. Speaking about these right here, the Sky Magics. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. And like I said, Keep your eye out for the demo of the Black Diamond assortment from Alamo Fireworks.